Good morning. I want to give a little video tour from Galway County. I'm going to flip this around, but it's easier to show you all the things as we head up into where we stayed last night. So we won't worry about over there right now. Gonna head over to open the door, and I guess I'll go a little wider as we go in. I'll close it behind me. A little dark, but we are headed up, and up we must go. There's two options for railings. You can either hold on to the rope on the side or the rope in the middle. And Atlas has done pretty well with these stairs. But we go up here. You can just keep getting higher up and up. This is not our room. The guy who renovated this castle, this was where his sons lived for a little bit. And then I keep going up. And this is our living room, where we spent a lot of our time in here. Had a fire that's just dying out because we are getting ready to check out for the day. Our kitchen tucked away in here. So this was a special custom-made fun kitchen part there. Could look out the window into the surrounding countryside with the cows over that way. Could look out over any of these. Played a little bit of pipe organ and stuff last night. Let's see here. Didn't try the accordion, or the guitar. Tried the didgeridoo. There's actually a bathtub underneath that rug. Not gonna do that right now. Is the cat still out there? There's multiple cats out there, a nice little walking path. Here's the only bathroom in the place. Gotta watch my head here. And the bathroom is over there. It is a little bit cold on the bum. Then we go up one more set of stairs over here. Well, the same stairs. We'll find Sarah and Atlas up there. I am taking a video.
I was about to get changed.
It's okay. Just wanted to do a quick video of the whole place. We'll play cribbage in a minute, bud. This is just, I wanted to have something to document the whole place with us. Atlas, you up there? Can you wave? Thank you. And I'm just taking a video for the whole place so we can see it all. Here's the safe we did not crack, despite not much attempts. Atlas slept down here, I slept up there. We'll go one level up, give Sarah some privacy, and to the tippy top up here. And it's a little wet, I'll need to be careful. Oh, I hear a bird. Oh, they're just flying away over there. This is their area. I think one's still up there, yeah. And here's the surrounding area from the top. It is a wee bit slippery up here. But this is where we stayed. That's it.